Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sydney and I do a lot of videos similar to this one where I'm showing you guys the sneakers that I've recently picked up and I'm unboxing and reviewing them for you. I will say this month I've picked up a lot of shoes. This has been probably the biggest month for my sneaker collection. So that being said, I'll probably start putting out videos 2 to 3 times a week until I'm just caught up because I have so many films on shoes that I've picked up. But I'm going to post this one first because these are the most recent shoes that dropped. So if you haven't already, and if you are interested in sneakers and seeing what other shoes I picked up this month, please be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram so that you don't miss out on any future videos. I know I mentioned that this month has been a big sneaker month for me, but I think something that I also should know is this month I had some luck with the sneakers app. I was able to get 2 W's on the sneakers app, which normally doesn't happen, but I was very lucky and I hit on my first pair of ones on the sneakers app. I feel like it's like karma saying, you know, she's been spending a lot of money. She deserves to catch one at retail. One thing I want to let you guys know that's actually worked for me, like the past 2 times I've hit on the sneakers app this month, what's interesting is both times I logged onto the app about 15 minutes before the shoe was going to release, and they had like a story related to the shoe dropping. So there was like a comic book kind of like story thing about Jordan 1s when this one was dropping. And I just like clicked through that real fast and then I got it. So I know that the app is a lot about like how you interact with it and getting it to like you. So I don't know if it's just coincidence, but definitely watch those little stories, especially if they're related to a shoe that you're interested in. Okay, that being said, let's unbox these. This is so exciting. These are the Hyper Royals. How exciting. Here they are. And I feel like, I know I've seen other people say this, but especially seeing it in hand, it really does look like denim even more in person. Almost like a little bit of an acid wash denim. Looking at the shoe, we have a light gray sole, the white midsole, and then we see this blue suede, and it's a rougher suede. It's not as soft as like the I guess like suede on the mochas or university ones. I don't even know if that's really a suede or if it's like a soft leather. It is like a rougher suede. We have all the detail. The stitchings in like this like pretty like Hyper Royal. You can see we have, you know, obviously the white toe box and the white behind the swoosh, but then our swoosh is in a light gray. And I think that one of the things I didn't really notice until I had these in hand was that this light gray, it's not like a leather, even though it kind of looks like leather. It's actually a suede. And that same suede's the material here on like this collar. It's so soft. This is kind of light though, and it is like a suede material. I wonder if like denim would be an issue rubbing up against that. But anyway, we just have white laces came in it. Sorry, oh my god, the light's crazy. And then we just have a white nylon tongue with the Hyper Royal tag. The inside is white with the blue. And then it also comes with these Hyper Royal laces, which I think are a really cute touch, actually. And then we also have the white Air Jordan logo. I think these are like really nice. I'm loving the blue with the light gray. There's just something about the light gray that I really like. If you're interested in these, I would wait because prices are like kind of expensive right now. I think they're around $500 last I checked. And the thing with this release, very similar to other releases that have been coming out recently, whether it be the University Blue, even like Raging Bulls, everything's getting delayed. Shipments are delayed. So a lot of foot stores, they didn't even get these in stock or have reservations live on their apps. Stock was obviously very limited because it wasn't available a lot of places just due to shipping delays. So I think that wait until all the stock's released, keep trying to get it for retail, and the more releases there are, the price of the resale market's just going to go down. So I would definitely wait until we see these being released a few more times, because that's what I'm expecting. Even the university blues, they dropped like, what, 3 different times? It'll be similar to that. So I would just wait a little bit. And then, like I said, if you don't get it then, even the resale will be cheaper. So Jordan 1s, always just get your normal size. They are true to size. I am a size 7.5 in men's or a 9 in women's. I will now show you guys how they look on the feet and insert some clips of me trying them on. Here they are on the foot. I just laced them really quickly just so I could try them on, but I think I'm gonna relace them. Something that's interesting about these shoes actually when I put them on is this like collar part is actually like less stiff, I feel like, than a lot of other ones. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know if you prefer these or the university blues, because I feel like a lot of people are comparing the two. I think just because of timing when they dropped and the fact that we had 2 blue Jordan 1s drop so close to each other. So which one do you think is better and deserves more hype? Because I think the university blues are a lot more hyped. I don't know, maybe that made us so tired by the time these ones came out. But let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks again so much for watching. Bye, guys.